welcome to our unit. Hello everyone, I am Debasis Patra and I am under the unit of hybrid vegetable seed production, and it is the ELP unit of 8th SEM, and the main objectives of this unit is to provide quality seeds and the parental lines of okra and bottle gourds. Vegetable seed production unit, the main guide is Dr. Vinay Kumar sir and Dr. Anjan Roy and Dr. Bhargav sir. Here they are showing okra in 4 acres and we are showing bottle gourd in 1 acre. Here we are showing only those hybrid varieties to produce high quality seeds, and we are producing commercial lines, and we are producing these seeds only in large scale quantity, and we after the harvesting of these vegetables we will go in post harvest phase and extract those seed and package it and send it to the commercial places. The practice of sowing is here like that. We are doing 3:1 in case of the bottle gourd. It means that 3 lines will be female and one line will be male. But in okra we are showing 3:1, like 3 female ratio and 1 male line. So here that's what we are showing. The last objective is the commercial production of a hybrid variety in okra and bottle gourd.